Mga broskies like super legit and all, feel good Wednesday. I'm pretty sure lahat kayo ay nagulat. Kasi grabe gagi parang na-miss ko tong studio namin. Kala mo naman ang tagal. Kasi every time na nandito tayo sa studio natin, we are interviewing some special people. Like super legit and all. Actually ngayon si Robin Shena, naiinggit siya sa akin ngayon kasi nauna na siyang umuwi. Pero naiinggit siya for sure kasi I'll be having a conversation with a very special person for today. Pero mga kabisyong online, like super legit and all, na nakatutok sa atin dito sa Love Radio Manila Facebook page, I want you guys to share this live para lahat ng mga kabisyo natin ay mapanood kung sino nga ba ang kakausapin natin ngayon. Ano? Ready na ba kayo? Parang hindi ko kayo marinig. Mag-ingay kayo sa comment section. Come on. Yan, mag-ingay pa tayo. Alright, maya-maya shout out natin lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin. But for now, mga kabisyo, I'm sure you are all excited mula Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, worldwide, Mars hanggang Jupiter. I'm pretty sure you are excited. Sino ba ang kakausapin ko ngayon? Ito lang naman, eka-level lang naman ang voice ko. Like super legit and all. Yeah. Oh, diba? Level ba? Level yung mga ganon. Please welcome mga kabisyong online. I have here the very awesome, very gorgeous, very talented Jamie Miller. Jamie, kumusta ka naman? How are you?
I'm good, thank you, man. Thank you so much for having me. I'm excited to be here.
Yeah, you know, our Filipino viewers right now are very excited to see you, all our kabisyos. Can you greet them, all our Filipino fans?
Which camera? This one?
Yeah, here. Yeah.
This one?
Yep.
Hey,
There you
Filipino
go.
fans. I'm Jamie Miller. Thank you so much for having me. I love you guys.
Is this your first time here in our country?
First time. I've always wanted to come here, but with like COVID and stuff, it never really worked out with my schedule. So I'm excited that I'm finally here.
Yeah, I also see. I also noticed that it's also your first time to experience our jeepney. How was it?
That was my favorite thing so far. Honestly, like just walking around, like driving around in the jeepney was so fun. I just wanted to immerse myself in the Filipino culture, and I feel like I'm doing exactly that. I love it here.
Absolutely, and also I'm hoping that you've also tried our Filipino foods, Filipino cuisines.
Yes, I've tried. My favorite so far has been kare-kare.
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 Oh, that's how about balut? Have you tried it?
I
It's a
haven't
duck egg.
I haven't tried balut yet, but people are telling me to try it.
You have to try it.
I'll try it.
You are 100% Filipino if you've tried it.
Okay, then I'm trying it.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right, mga kabisya, please welcome Jamie Miller. So here's our, very special conversation with him. So, Jamie, let's start. From one of your interviews, you actually revealed that your favorite movie is Titanic. Right?
Correct.
And did you ever consider writing a song inspired from Titanic story?
Ooh, that's a good question.
Yeah.
Maybe somewhere along the line that is I've done that, but no, I don't think really on the top of mind. But it's my favorite movie of all time. Cry every time I watch it. Every single time. I think I watch it like 11 times a year. But it's the best movie of all time in my opinion. But now you've said that, maybe I should. Should I?
Yes, you
Okay.
should.
Okay.
So that it would add some emotion
Okay.
into it. Any particular scene in the Titanic?
I think when they fall in love, you know what I mean? I'm a hopeless romantic, man. And then it's so sad at the end when he can't fit on the
Yeah. Well, that's love.
That is love. That is love.
Yeah, but anyway, Jamie, you recently collaborated with our very own Moira De La Torre, who actually provided original verses on your featured tracks. How was it working with Moira?
Dude, honestly, like she is the sweetest human being that I've ever had the pleasure of meeting. Well, not yet on FaceTime. I'm meeting her today. We're doing Wish together. But no, she's just amazing, and her voice is so unique. And to have her on the song, it just made it so much better. So yeah, I love her.
Awesome. Any other particular like Filipino artists you wanted to collaborate with?
I've just been recently introduced to Ben and Ben.
Yeah,
I think they're
awesome.
incredible. I think they're amazing. So yeah, I would love to do something with them. Hopefully meet them one day. But yeah, they're killing it.
Yeah, not to mention you've also been dancing the Gento of SB19.
Yes.
Right.
Honestly, I learned that yesterday. So catchy, love style, love SB19.
Right.
Anything I can
Really-
to support them.
Right. It's such a fun, Gento, yeah. Yeah, speaking of fun, let's add some fun in our conversation.
Let's go.
Let's have some game.
Let's do it.
Right. So, this game is very basic. It's actually a tongue twister challenge. So all you have to do is just, recite the verses or the phrases that we will be flashing on the screen 3 times as fast as you can.
Okay.
Yeah, and the twist is these are a Filipino tongue twister.
Oh, okay. First of all, I'm sorry if I offend you by my pronunciation.
No, that's fine. I mean, you'll do great here for
Okay,
sure.
let's do it.
All right. Even me, this is a really hard game for me, even though I'm a Filipino.
Okay. Oh, that
Yeah.
doesn't make me feel any better.
Yeah. All right. For our first, we have here pitumput puting tupa. Pitumput pitong. Dude, this is so hard. So it's pitumput pitong puting tupa.
Pitumput, pitong, puting, tupa.
So
Pitumput, pitong, puting, tupa. Pitumput, pitong, puting, tupa.
you're a Filipino.
I'm a Filipino. Let's go.
So in English, this is 77 white ships.
77 white ships.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. For our second, we have Minikaniko ni Monico ang makina ni Monica. Your turn, Jamie.
Minikaniko ni Monaco ang makina ni Monica. Minikaniko ni Monaco ang makina in Monica. Minikaniko ni Monaco ang makina ni Monica.
Wow. Again, 200% you are a Filipino.
I love this game.
Yeah. Okay, for our next word, we have Siomai Siopaw Suman.
Soma sopa suman. Soma sopa suman. Soma sopa suman.
Yeah, it's siomai, siopaw, suman. These are foods.
Siopaw.
Yeah, the siomai and siopaw are actually Chinese food.
I love Chinese
while
food.
suman is actually a rice cake here in the Philippines. Tama ba yun? Rice cake. Ayun, nasa comment section, nagre-react sila.
Okay.
Yeah, but our comment section are going crazy.
Yeah?
You're so cute, according to them, dahil sa mga tingnan nyo, nagtatagalog na tuloy ako because I feel that you are a Filipino.
I mean, that's the biggest compliment. You guys are so kind and so talented. So I'll
Let's
take
add some more. We have our fourth one. We have, bumili ako ng bituka ng butiki sa butika. Dang. Bumili ako ng bituka ng butiki sa butika.
it. Okay. One more time.
Bumili ako ng bituka ng butiki sa butika.
Bumili ako ng bituka butika sa botika. Bumili ako ng butiki sa botika.
It's hard, right?
That's so hard.
It's really hard. But
I'm
it
so
means,
sorry.
Someone bought an intestine of a lizard in a pharmacy.
Interesting.
Interesting. Our language is very awesome, right?
Yeah, so awesome. Yeah, for sure.
All right, for our fifth one. Oh, this is hard. Kabilugan ng buwan ng
All right.
Kabilugan ng buwan ng kabilugan.
One more time.
Kabilugan ng buwan ng kabilugan.
Kabalugan ng buwan kabalugan. Kabalugan ng buwan kabalugan. Kabalugan ng buwan kabalugan.
Yeah, it just means it's the season of full moon.
Okay.
Right.
I love that. Let's go.
Yay! All right, awesome. You did great. But anyway, Jamie Miller, I think you really have to visit the Philippines more often so that you could learn more about our culture. I know it's crazy stuff there, but
Yeah.
we're fun people.
No, I love it. Dude, I'll take the flight any day, especially for this interview. So, there you go.
Absolutely. All right. So, I mean, moving forward,
Yep.
about your EP.
Yes.
Right? It's The Things I Left Unsaid. And it will actually be released this coming 4th of October.
Yes.
Wow, we are very excited. What inspired you to actually release, or what inspired you to do this,
Project?
EP?
To be honest, like last year was a really rough year for me personally and like professionally in terms of just like I got a little bit depressed. So I think there was a lot going on in my life that I didn't have control of. And there was a lot of things that I just needed to remove from my life. Friendships, work people, and just stuff like that. And I just needed to take some time off to write this project. And I took time away from the limelight and stuff like that. So I'm ready to finally say all the things that I never said. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think you did, you did the perfect thing for you because recharge is the best.
Yeah,
Right?
exactly.
And what we could only see from you right now is you are shining.
Thank
right?
you.
And yeah, it's really bouncing back from your mistakes and turning it into a positive thing, and you as a storyteller telling it to all of us through
Yeah.
your songs.
Thank you, man. I
Right?
appreciate it.
One of the songs in this EP is No Matter What. Can you tell us more, Jamie, about, this song?
Yeah, so like I said, tough year for me last year, and I think in that time I just wanted to let myself know that I'm never giving up on me, even when times get tough. And I think it was like a little love letter to myself, but at the same time, like it can be turned into a love song
Yeah.
too. So I like the double meaning that it has. But it's a really special song, and if you check out the music video, you can understand why it's so special to me.
I did.
You did?
The music video is so emotional and you are so sexy on that music video. I hope I have that body too.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah, awesome. And but one of the greatest single that you've actually shared to the world is the Here's Your Perfect, which is very TikTokable, as as some of the Gen Z mentioned.
Yeah.
I've actually stitched it. I don't know if you've noticed it. I've actually sing it. I've actually dance it. I've actually used it as a background picture or as a background music to my ex.
Oh.
I don't know.
I mean, you have to show me these videos afterwards because I haven't seen it.
Absolutely.
Okay.
But first, you have to show us your talent first.
Okay.
You
okay.
have to, you have to show us how this song is perfect.
Okay, my voice is a little bit rusty, but I'll give it my best shot, okay?
What? Rusty? Mga kabisyo, online kabisyo, I know you've been waiting for this. Here's Jamie Tingnan mo, nagkakamali pa. Here's Jamie Miller to sing Here's Your Perfect.
I remember the day, even wrote down the day that I felt for you. And now it's crossed out in red, but I still can't forget if I wanted to. And it drives me insane, think I'm hearing your name everywhere I go. But it's all in my head, it's just all in my head. But you won't see me break, call you up in 3 days, or send you a bouquet saying it's a mistake. Drink my troubles away, one more glass of champagne, and you know I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect. You're the first to say you want the best thing. Now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. My best was just fine. How I tried to be great for you. I'm flawed by design, and you love to remind me no matter what I do. But you won't see me break, call you up in 3 days, or send you a bouquet saying it's a mistake. Drink my troubles away, one more glass of champagne, and you know I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect. You're the first to say you want the best thing. Now I know a perfect way to let you go. Hope is worth it. I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect. You're the first to say you want the best thing. Now I know a perfect way to let you go. See, yeah, find a perfect way. Here's your perfect. Yeah. to let you go. Hope it's worth it. Here's your perfect.
Alis na ako, Kabisyo. Grabe naman. That song is brought to you by your ex. Awesome, awesome. I mean, Jamie, thank you so much for sharing your song to your Filipino fans, to us, of course. But I know you are so busy here in the Philippines.
Yes.
Wanted to promote any events, your social media, upcoming
Yes.
events?
So you can come to my show on September 30th at UP Town Center. I'm doing a mall show. And then today I'm going to be doing Wish with Maura Della Torre. And I'm going to obviously have an EP out October 4th, The Things I Left Unsaid. And then if you are in America and you want to come see me on tour, I'm going to be in North America with Eric Nam starting in October.
Amazing.
Thank you so much.
We will always support you and we are so honored na syempre mga kabisyo, dito lang yan sa Love Radio Manila ninyo unang narinig ng live si Jamie Miller bago pa siya sumakay kung saan-saan man. 'Di ba? But anyway mga kabisyo, this has been your Uragong Broski, Conyo Bicolano. Wag nyo kaming kalimutang i-follow dito sa aming mga social media accounts from TikTok, Instagram at sa pinakabago naming website para updated kayo sa mga latest na ganap namin dito sa Love Radio Manila. Again, this is Conyo Bicolano. See you again tomorrow or kahit kailan pa man. See you again. Basta tumutok lang kayo sa mga social media accounts namin. Again, everybody, Jamie Miller.
Thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it.